Welcome to Curiosity, the podcast where science meets wonder. Join us as we explore the fascinating, the innovative, and the unexpected, from the secrets of the cosmos to the marvels of everyday life. Each episode takes you on a journey to uncover the knowledge and stories that fuel our endless quest for understanding. Let your curiosity guide you. The spectrum of life, unveiling the science and magic of colors. Colors are an essential part of how we perceive and interpret the world around us, shaping our emotions, decisions, and understanding of our environment. But what exactly are colors? At their core, colors are the result of how our eyes and brain perceive light of different wavelengths. Light is a form of electromagnetic radiation, which travels in waves. These waves can vary in length, with shorter wavelengths corresponding to violet and blue light and longer wavelengths to red light. The spectrum of visible light, which our eyes can detect, ranges from approximately 380 to 750 nanometers in wavelength. When light hits an object, several interactions take place. The object may absorb certain wavelengths of light, while reflecting or transmitting others. The specific wavelengths that are reflected or transmitted determine the color we see. For instance, a leaf appears green because it absorbs most of the red and blue wavelengths of light while reflecting green wavelengths. Similarly, a ripe strawberry looks red because it reflects red light while absorbing other colors. Objects that appear white reflect almost all wavelengths of visible light, while those that appear black absorb most of the light, reflecting very little. The human eye is specially adapted to detect and interpret these colors through the use of photoreceptor cells in the retina called cones. Humans typically have 3 types of cone cells, each sensitive to different ranges of wavelengths corresponding to red, green, and blue light. This is why our vision is classified as trichromatic. When light enters the eye, it stimulates these cone cells to varying degrees depending on the light's composition. The brain then processes these signals to create the perception of color. For example, when red and green light hit the eye simultaneously, we perceive yellow. While the physics and biology of color are foundational, the way we experience color also involves psychological and cultural dimensions. Colors can evoke emotions and have symbolic meanings that vary across societies. Red, for instance, is often associated with passion, energy, or danger, while blue might symbolize calmness or trust. These associations can differ based on cultural contexts. In some cultures, white is the color of purity and celebration, while in others, it signifies mourning and loss. Interestingly, not all creatures perceive colors in the same way humans do. Many animals have different types of cone cells, allowing them to see beyond the human visible spectrum. For example, bees can detect ultraviolet light, helping them locate flowers rich in nectar. Birds and certain fish can see an even broader range of colors due to their tetrachromatic vision, which includes an additional type of cone cell sensitive to ultraviolet light. On the other hand, many mammals, such as dogs, have dichromatic vision, meaning they can only distinguish between 2 primary colors, typically blue and yellow. Color perception can also vary among humans. Some individuals experience color blindness, a condition where one or more types of cone cells are absent or function differently. The most common form is red-green color blindness, which makes it difficult to differentiate between these 2 colors. In rare cases, some individuals, known as tetrachromats, may have an additional type of cone cell, potentially allowing them to perceive millions more colors than the average person. Colors are not merely a physical property of light but are deeply intertwined with how we interpret the world. They influence art, design, communication, and even survival strategies in the natural world. From the vibrant hues of a sunset to the subtle shades of a painting, colors shape our experiences and perceptions in profound ways. The world of colors becomes even more fascinating when we delve into how they are created and manipulated, both in nature and through human ingenuity. In the natural world, colors arise from two primary mechanisms: pigmentation and structural coloration. Pigmentation refers to the presence of chemical compounds, called pigments, that absorb certain wavelengths of light and reflect others. For example, chlorophyll, the pigment responsible for the green color in plants, absorbs light primarily in the red and blue regions of the spectrum, reflecting green light to create the vibrant hues we associate with foliage. Structural coloration, on the other hand, results from the physical structure of an object rather than its chemical composition. This phenomenon occurs when microscopic structures on the surface of an object interfere with light waves, amplifying certain wavelengths and canceling others. This is how we perceive the iridescent colors of a peacock's feathers or a butterfly's wings. These structures manipulate light to produce shimmering effects that shift depending on the angle of view, creating some of the most brilliant and dynamic colors in nature. Humans have long been captivated by colors and have developed various methods to replicate and enhance them. The use of pigments dates back thousands of years, with early humans extracting natural dyes from plants, minerals, and insects. Cave paintings, such as those in Lascaux, France, used pigments derived from earth minerals like ochre and charcoal to create enduring works of art. Over time, advancements in chemistry allowed for the creation of synthetic pigments, expanding the palette available to artists and industries alike. In modern times, technology has given rise to new ways of producing and manipulating colors. LED lights, for instance, generate specific colors by using semiconductors that emit light at particular wavelengths. Liquid crystal displays, LCDs, and organic light-emitting diodes, OLEDs, utilize complex arrangements of materials to produce vivid and precise colors on screens. These advancements have revolutionized fields such as entertainment, communication, and design, making color a critical element of our daily lives. Color also plays a vital role in science and technology, serving as a tool for exploration and understanding. In astronomy, for example, the study of light from distant stars and galaxies reveals their colors, which provide clues about their composition, temperature, and motion. Redshift, a phenomenon where light from objects moving away from us shifts toward the red end of the spectrum, has been instrumental in understanding the expansion of the universe. In biology, color is a key to survival for many species, often serving as camouflage, warning signals, or mating displays. Animals like chameleons and octopuses can change their colors to blend into their surroundings or communicate with others. These adaptations are achieved through specialized cells called chromatophores, which contain pigments that expand or contract to alter the animal's appearance. Human perception of color is not static. It can be influenced by surrounding colors, lighting conditions, and even individual psychology. The same color can appear different depending on the context in which it is viewed, a phenomenon known as color contrast. This effect is exploited in art and design to create depth, focus, and emotional impact. Similarly, lighting plays a crucial role in how we perceive color. Under natural sunlight, colors appear vibrant and true to life, while artificial lighting can alter their appearance, sometimes making them warmer or cooler. Beyond perception, colors evoke strong emotional and psychological responses, influencing our moods, behavior, and decision-making. This is why businesses carefully select color schemes for branding and marketing. Red often conveys excitement and urgency, while blue is associated with trust and calmness. These associations, while partly cultural, also have universal aspects rooted in human biology and evolution. Color's significance extends beyond aesthetics, embedding itself deeply into science, technology, and the natural world. Its interplay between physical properties and human perception creates an endless spectrum of possibilities, showcasing the incredible complexity of how light interacts with matter and mind. The exploration of colors reveals not only their beauty but also their profound impact on art, culture, and science. Throughout history, colors have served as a form of expression and communication, evolving alongside human civilization. Ancient societies often attributed symbolic meanings to colors, weaving them into their rituals, traditions, and daily lives. For instance, in ancient Egypt, blue was associated with the heavens and immortality, while gold symbolized the divine. Similarly, in India, vibrant colors like saffron and red hold deep spiritual and cultural significance, appearing prominently in festivals and ceremonies. The development of color theory in the Renaissance marked a turning point in understanding how colors interact and influence each other. Artists like Leonardo da Vinci and later scientists like Isaac Newton studied light and color, laying the foundation for modern color science. Newton's experiments with prisms revealed that white light could be split into a spectrum of colors, demonstrating that colors were not inherent to objects but rather the result of how light interacted with them. This discovery revolutionized art, leading to more sophisticated techniques for creating depth, contrast, and emotion in paintings. In the modern era, colors have become central to fields ranging from design to marketing. Brands carefully choose colors to evoke specific emotions and align with their identities. For example, green is often used to signify sustainability and health, while black conveys luxury and sophistication. These choices are backed by extensive psychological research, revealing how colors influence perceptions and decisions. In digital spaces, colors play a key role in user interface design, guiding users through intuitive and aesthetically pleasing experiences. Colors also have practical applications in technology and science. In medicine, color-coded imaging techniques like magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, and positron emission tomography, PET, scans provide detailed views of the human body, aiding in diagnosis and treatment. Similarly, in agriculture, remote sensing technologies use color variations to monitor crop health and optimize resource use. These innovations underscore the importance of understanding and utilizing colors across disciplines. In the natural world, colors continue to amaze and inspire. Advances in technology have revealed phenomena like bioluminescence, where living organisms such as fireflies and deep-sea creatures produce their own light in dazzling displays. These natural light shows are often used for communication, attracting mates, or deterring predators. Similarly, the changing colors of the sky during sunrise and sunset, caused by the scattering of light particles in the atmosphere, remind us of the dynamic interplay between light and color. One fascinating area of research involves the perception of color in other species. While humans rely on 3 types of cone cells to see colors, some animals, like mantis shrimp, have up to 16 types, allowing them to perceive a range of colors far beyond human capabilities. This diversity in color perception raises intriguing questions about how different creatures experience the world and how their vision has evolved to meet specific survival needs. As we delve deeper into the science of color, we also uncover its limitations and complexities. Optical illusions demonstrate how our brains can misinterpret color based on context, lighting, and contrast. The infamous blue and black dress debate is a prime example of how subjective color perception can be influenced by individual differences in vision and interpretation. Colors also face challenges in representation and reproduction. Printing and digital displays rely on various color models, such as RGB, red, green, blue, and CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow, black, to approximate the full spectrum of colors. However, these models have limitations, as not all colors visible to the human eye can be accurately reproduced. Ultimately, colors are more than just visual phenomena. They are deeply woven into the fabric of our existence. They guide us, inspire us, and help us make sense of the world. From the vibrant hues of nature to the sophisticated palettes of art and technology, colors continue to shape our perceptions and experiences in ways both profound and personal. Their study offers endless opportunities for discovery, reminding us of the intricate connections between light, matter, and life.